Have you ever wondered how tourism can survive crises, rebuild communities, and create opportunities for millions? From local guides to international travelers, resilience in tourism is shaping our future. Stay tuned to the end as we share the documentary of global tourism resilience and the incredible stories of people whose lives were changed by tourism. Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation-building and sustainable development. And now, today's event, Global Tourism Resilience Day. Theme: Building Back Stronger, Resilient, Sustainable and Inclusive Tourism for All. Global Tourism Resilience Day reminds the world that tourism is not just about travel, but about the strength of communities to recover, adapt, and thrive in the face of global challenges. It is a call to build a more sustainable, inclusive, and resilient tourism sector that can withstand crises while continuing to connect people, cultures, and economies, emphasizing recovery, investment in resilient practices, collaboration, and sustainable growth across the global tourism sector. Global Tourism Resilience Day was adopted by the United Nations in 2022 to celebrate the power of tourism to bounce back from challenges like natural disasters, pandemics, and economic shocks. The day reminds us that tourism is more than sightseeing. It drives jobs, supports communities, and strengthens economies worldwide. Since its adoption by the UN, Global Tourism Resilience Day has celebrated the achievements of tourism communities worldwide, rebuilding after crises, promoting sustainable travel, and inspiring individuals to adapt and grow. Tourism connects us, strengthens nations, and supports local livelihoods. Just a quick break. Please, if you are gaining something from this video and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more global events contents. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you and welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Meet Sarah, a tour guide from Bali, Indonesia. After her town's tourism sector suffered during a natural disaster, she used new training programs and sustainable tourism ideas to rebuild her tours. Today, Sarah's tours attract visitors from around the world, helping her community recover and thrive. Then there's Alex, a hotel manager in Portugal. During the pandemic, he learned innovative ways to keep his business running and now employs more staff than ever, showing that resilience and creativity can turn challenges into opportunities. If you believe global tourism resilience is shaping a stronger future, empowers communities and changes lives, share this video with your friends and family. Let's celebrate the people who make tourism resilient and show how travel can change lives. Thanking the unsung heroes. Today, we thank the guides, hotel staff, travel agents, and every worker who keeps tourism alive, often without recognition. Your dedication rebuilds communities and inspires hope everywhere. A call to action: if you haven't yet engaged in tourism or related services, now is the time. Start a business, support local tourism, or share your ideas. Your involvement could help communities grow and inspire countless others. In closing, happy Global Tourism Resilience Day 2026. Let's celebrate the strength, creativity, and hope that tourism brings to the world. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes of global tourism resilience, the guides, hotel staff, travel agents, and every worker who keeps tourism alive, often without recognition. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's event. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring global event. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetera. Shalom for upcoming event. Please check your notification for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.